What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're working on a Mini Cooper S today. This is the car. Supposed to work on the car today morning, but mishap has already happened guys. So what happened was, on the way here, I really don't know how did it happen, but this is what happened. There is a screwdriver sticking out from the wheels, which also damaged the lip of the wheel a little bit. So because these are some run flat Hankooks, so there is no way that the owner can get it elsewhere, only at Mini. So the tow truck is actually on the way right now to tow the car away to get the tire replaced, and then I think the salesperson will drive the car back to me so that I can start working on it. So I hope everything goes smooth today. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so I finished the Mini Cooper yesterday night and I sent the car back and I forgot to end the vlog, so I just tell you guys a little bit about the job. The Cooper wasn't really in a really bad shape. The black areas, especially the black areas, was, I would say, the most difficult to work on because it's relatively soft, and I think the pre-delivery was a little bit sketchy, so they actually inflicted more damage than they are supposed to do. So I was only able to restore maybe like 90% of the damage on the black areas, which is a little bit disappointing for such a new car. So well, I mean, detailing is not magic, so you can't really fix everything until it's like flawless. So if you guys have any questions, leave it on the comment section below. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and see you guys at the next video.